Attention! Every Cadet Upright Verbena has been trained to stand in a perfect uniform line, just like you see across this bench. Every grower that I've been to, and I've seen this in the sample program, you see the same uniformity across all the colors in the Cadet series. What is Cadet Upright about? It's that upright habit. You can grow it pot tight, and it's not going to tangle on the bench. Great for quarts and gallons. We've got the pink, lavender blue, red, white, the magenta wink, purple, and hot pink wink. So 7 bright colors to fill a rack, that great upright habit. And we want to mention too that we are 1 week earlier than our upright competition with Cadet Upright. So that means you're going to get to ship it to retail sooner as a grower. On top of all that, we've incorporated the EnduraScape heat performance into our Cadet series. So every ball FloraPlant Verbena series offers you that same great heat performance all through summer that you expect from EnduraScape. But this just has that nice compact habit. So now that I have fully trained the cadets to be 1 week early, heat tolerant, and stand in a uniform line, I put the competition in jail and I get to enjoy myself a great donut. Hey, keep the plants happy and they'll keep you happy.